I'd like to look at probably one of the most important knots, and this is called the running slipline knot. This sometimes goes by the name of a slide knot or a slip knot, an adjustable knot. It's got many, many different names. But the important aspect of this knot is that it's adjustable. And it's really nice because when you want to tighten around something, you can put it through loose. You can tighten as much as you want, and you can secure it in place. So what we're going to do is to grab the end of this and just hold it in place and simply make a backward twist and then a second backward twist. So now I just have it like this. You see, all I did was just put a twist in this particular line. Here's the end, here's the loop. Now it's going to try to pull itself together like this. You feel the tension in it. So now all I did was bring this end over here and pull it through. And now you can see what this is. This is nothing more than an overhand knot with the cord running back through the knot. So you can take this knot and you tighten it. And when Kevlar, you can tighten this as much as you want. You can really bear down on it and tighten it. Kevlar is not going to break, but also when you tighten it, it's still slippery enough that it'll still slide. So now you can see this knot now can be adjusted. We can adjust it like this. We can pull it tight, move it back. And with the Kevlar, this knot has some additional advantages. When you tighten it onto something, for example, the mount of a streamer, you see this end lies next to this cord. So this entire round part is grabbing whatever is inside without this tail in the way. Then you can very easily secure the tail outside over here. So the knot is very, very nice. It just, it lays right onto whatever you're grabbing onto, and it grabs very, very tight. So again, you can see this is just a simple knot, a simple overhand knot, and I just tied it onto itself. What's interesting about this is that if you pull this through, it just simply pops right apart. Now, where do I use this? I use this extensively in building streamers. Right here, this cord was, I put a slip line knot on it, and I slid it right down onto the toothpick, and then I put a very small drop of CA glue to lock it in place. This actually forms my mount onto the streamer. You can see the tail is on the outside over here, and the cord is very tightly wrapped around the streamer over here. Very, very important way to use it. And I also do use it in a few other places, which I'll talk about in a moment. I'm going to do this one more time. We hold this cord like this, take one twist, second twist, pull this back, and pull this through. Do it a few times to see it's really easy. But again, very important knot that I use for model rocketry when you're building with Kevlar.